Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be breaking down KOLASINSKI'S most recent official average, which is a 5.08 official average. Let's start the reconstructions right now. His first solve is a 521. He's going to do a white cross here, preserving the first pair, which is going to be these two. His cross pieces are here, 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 and here. Now he has these two, which are really easy to insert. Just do this, R2B, to insert these two. And now he's going to insert this third cross edge. And notice that right here, this edge is misoriented. So if you just insert this last cross like so, it's really bad to insert this pair from this angle. But if we did U and then insert this last cross edge like so, we can actually orient this edge, and that will be inserted into the back way easier, like so. And now here, basically, we don't actually have to insert that pair into the back like so. We also noticed this edge and this corner, because if we just insert like that, this will be a really bad pair. But TYMON also planned that if we insert this pair like so, he can actually set up these two. So therefore, he can just insert that right into the back. And now here, his last two pairs, he does something really interesting, which is also something I've been experimenting with in my own solves. He can just do these two, and then that will set up these two. But instead, he took this pair out, kind of reminiscent of how he did that at his first European record single. He took these two out and then paired them up, canceled into sledge, and then canceled into these two, and put them here, inserted them all together. So this is kind of like a Jada McNeil F2 Gen F prime kind of idea, which I think is really interesting. I've been experimenting with that in my solves as well. And then just OLL into PLL, which, if you guys know, I can never do. Alright, let's move on to the next solve, which is a 490. Here, TYMON is going to do another white cross, this time an X cross. His cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So first, obviously, he inserts these two. And now, obviously, we have this block over here, which corresponds to this edge. So how we can do that is while aligning these two, you can see that this edge comes over here, aligning with its center. So therefore, we can insert this block and this edge and the last cross edge together, like so, by pairing these two up and then joining this last cross edge to here as well, to insert all together into this. And now we can just have our second pair and third pair really nicely positioned right here into the back, just so really fluid. And then finally our last pair. So I imagine this is just like a fluid F2L here by TYMON, and then OLL by PLL. Alright, the next solve is a 582, the worst solve of the average, but I still think it has a really interesting solution. So TYMON is going to do another X cross here on white. His cross pieces are here, 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 and back here. So what he's going to do is he noticed this edge and this corner, and we can actually set them up in one move with a U prime here. That sets up this edge relative to its center and also pairs up this block at the back. So what we're going to do is insert these two cross edges. And now here, do a D to put them in the back. And now insert this edge like so, F2, and then insert this block in the back as well. And now we can just have this edge left. Do D2 here. And then TYMON rotates to do these two, like so. Now here, TYMON noticed, of course, this solved corner, and therefore he's going to do a pseudo-sliding solution here with this edge. Now I don't think this would be the best option because this pair is really bad. Like this pseudo pair is really bad. I would say maybe he can do something like this to set them up into a better pair. But I don't think it's worth it to do pseudo-sliding here. But I mean, he is the pseudo god, and he inserted that pair into the back, and then there's just insert the pseudo pair with a ZBLS solution, like so. I think it goes like this. Yeah, like that. That's just a crazy ZBLS. TYMON knows a lot of like these algs for that last layer, and then just left these soon into a G prime, which he made it to recognize, and then did the G prime. Alright, his next solve is a 514, so he's going to do orange cross with the solution. His cross pieces are here, 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 and here. He's also going to do an orange X cross, which is a really interesting X cross in my opinion, because right now it doesn't seem like that'll be a good X cross solution, but TYMON managed to find a solution with this edge and this corner. Also, really a freestyle pseudo-sliding solution. So let's look at the crosses. We can solve this into here relative to the green one, and then these two are going to be really easy to solve. So just solve this yellow, and then put these two here to be inserted after we solve the cross after these two. And now here, TYMON basically inserts this edge into here, insert that edge into here, like so, canceling into that corner in the back to make an X cross with these two. I think he frequently does that in his solves, which is a really interesting concept in my opinion. And then he does it these two. And notice that he also noticed that this edge is solved. So therefore, after he does these two, he's going to do another pseudo-sliding solution by solving this corner first and then solving these two. So he's going to cancel, after solving this pair, he's going to cancel into the solution of this corner, like so. And then just pair these two up, like so, and then insert that into the here, and then just OLO into J-perm. Alright, let's look at the last solve, which is a 472, which is the fastest solve of the average. TYMON's going to do a simple yellow cross here with his cross pieces here, 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 and here. He just moves this edge here, and then now all of these three edges can be solved relatively simply, like so. And then he just solves his first free pair, like so, into the back, canceling into these two, which is going to be his second pair. Just really easy look ahead here, into the back as well. And now here he just continues on with this F2L by inserting these two, and then rotating to insert these two, like so, and then just OLL into U-perm. So yeah, that was the entire average of TYMON's 5.08. Again, TYMON solutions are always the best in my opinion. I think there's a lot of value in breaking down his solutions. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.